Alright, what's up? Chris here. Brooklyn. I mean, Target. Store pickup. Head to the store right now. Put my mask on. I mean, now. Mask on and shit. Downtown the Atlanta terminal. I'm heading up right now. And shit like that. Press the button. See you go through. Yep. This one, me on this one. Middle. Pressing me. Pressing me and shit already. Headed up right now. I gotta get another mask. Gotta go pick up for the house. Gotta get another mask while I'm here. Yeah, so I'm doing this right now. At the Target. Show that mask on. Gotta get a new mask. The mask is trash. They will Target. There's a nice mask, all colorful mask, like $4, like $4 a pop. So I gotta go pick up anyway. So I'm here. I might as well go, right? So I'm here right now at Target. So I'm in Target right here, Land Terminal. Filming. Gotta get a new mask. Spend stuff ass, man. Hell yeah, I'm here right now. I feel good, but can't get it. My niece, but I can't get it. That's all. So I'm heading right now. And how it is. You can check out over here. You know what I mean? I get a fucking better mask than this shit. This mask is fucking dirty. I'm gonna get the mask, buy the mask, throw it away, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm saying? Like Target right now. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here for now. That's for kids. Let me see something. Yeah, it's 2 for $5, right? Ain't something for the adults, right? Let's see what we got here. Goodwill, Goodfellow. I got, let me see. What should I get? The black one. What should I get? And I should get the. Should I take this one? Should I take this one? Right? Should I take this? Nah. Nice colors. I might take this anyway. Put the light down. You still got a nice old blue one around here. Here's a kid mask. This thing will work out. Kid mask. They got some more upstairs, so we might check upstairs. Colors like mellow and shit. Oh, $3 for the 3 for that. Let me just take this one. Let me take this one. Fuck it. Let me go online. Go check out. I'm gonna take this up. Put this one on. I'm in. Man, it's trash. You know what I'm saying? Get this mask right here. Just buy it. Yeah, all the way down there. All the way down there. All the way down right here. Fuck it. Pay cash. I don't need it. Right? Scan like this. This. See the price? $4. Pay. Save about 20 cents. You know what I mean? Shit. It is right here. Let me get my cash. Put it in here, right? Cash. And then. Shit. Yeah. Nice little $20 bill.
Remember to grab your receipt.
So, change out. Yep. Fucking change, right? Yeah. 5, 10, 15. So, go outside. Replace the mask, put the mask in the trash, and then you'll be good. Looking better on the street. This dirty ass mask on. You know what I'm saying? We'll cut that and do it right now. Give 1 second. Boom. Go on. Smash. Boo shit. Plastic. Gotta do a store pick up anyway, so now I'm here, so might as well get this mask off. Hold on 1 second. Fucking plastic, yo. Garbage over here. Sorry about that. Get the mask out. Fucking trash. This shit. Let's go in the trash, man. That shit dirty as fuck. And it's old anyway. Yeah, you my mouth to get rid of it. So I want to use it. Right there. Oh. Blue and gray. Let me get rid of the plastic. Yeah, blue and gray Target right here. That's how it looks like. Blue and gray. I wish I wear the blue one. I wear the gray one. Let me wear the gray one. Fuck it. Put it on like this. That. Put this in my pocket. That way I talk anyway, right? We tie it like this. So get your little fucking in. Truly in. You know what I mean? Fucking hot. Fucking bacon, man. Feel like fuck. That's what it is. Mask change. Mask buy, mask change. Pay $4 for the mask. So you check yourself. You look better now. Way better than before. Way fucking better. My head back right now. Log off right now. Upload my Facebook, my Instagram, my Twitter. But peace out. Head back to Target right now. Later.